Thank you for getting our latch hooking kit. Let's unbox the kit. Now, we are going to cut the yarn into small segments. You will need a lot of segments for latch hooking. First, wrap the yarn around the folded cardboard like this. Wrap multiple layers of yarns on the cardboard. You may overlap the yarns. One yarn is enough for 9 squares. Then, cut the yarns on the open side like this. Cut the yarns only at one side, and let go, so you will get 7 centimeters yarns. This is your latch hooking tool. You'll see a hook and a latch here. Your canvas has a lot of strands like this. To knot a yarn segment on canvas, first place the folded yarn underneath the latch. Then slide your hook tool underneath the wanted canvas strand. Make sure the hook and latch pass through the strand. Hold your yarn under the latch and wrap the yarn over the eye of hook like this. Then, when you pull the tool down from the strand, let go the yarns in the same time, so that the latch closes and the yarn is knotted on the canvas strand. The yarn should be knotted properly, the tighter the better. If you still didn't get it, here is another angle with slower speed. Take note that we slide a tool including latch under the wanted strand, but the yarn is remain outside of the strand and underneath the latch. Then wrap the yarn over the eye of hook. Let go the yarn when you pull the tool down. Pull lightly on the 2 ends of the yarn to tighten the knot. After you learned how to latch hooking the yarn, now you are good to go. The canvas has already marked with patterns. Please fill up each canvas strand with respective yarn's color. Let's start with white square at 4 corners. Then fill up dark brown diamonds on the corners. Following, fill up yellow yarns in between the 2 white square corners. When you fill up a particular pattern or color, please fill up the yarn strand by strand. It means, fill up yarn after yarn next to it. Do not fill in portion of the design here and there. Come to the center. It is efficient to apply color yarns first, follow the marked pattern, then only fill up white yarns around. Congratulations, 70% test done. You are very close to the end. Keep working on the pattern. Yeah, you have finally done it. Once you complete a whole piece, you might need to trim some yarns. Your artwork is ready. It can be a rug, a wall hanger, or the front part of the cushion. If you decide to make it a cushion, you can sew a fabric on the back and fill with fluff, or sew to the exciting pre-made cushion cover. While sewing, remember to attach only to one side of the cushion cover, because you still want to put a cushion inside. If it comes with a zipper, it is convenient to unzip it while sewing. Then zip it up when sewing outside of that area. Most of the cushion covers have sharp corners, but our latch hook canvas has roundish corners. That is why we stuck the corners of the cushion cover inside on each side. That's all. We know it has been a lot of efforts, but look, you have made your own cushion like the masters in old good times. Please tag us throughout the process. We'd love to see your progress. Bye. See you next tutorial.